I've been down so long it look like up to me. They look up to me. I got fake people showing fake love to me. Straight up to my face. Straight up to my face.
Yo, what's up guys? I know I haven't seen you in a little bit on this channel, so what have I been doing? I guess to get you guys caught up, basically for the past couple weeks, I've just been doing trade shows, fan expos, and car shows. So one of the latest shows that I attended, and I actually drove all the way to, was Renovation in Vancouver. And most of you who follow me on Instagram, who do watch my stories, might have seen that my car just kind of stopped working. Midway, probably 6 hours from Calgary, somewhere in between the mountains where my phone had no reception. I was driving, and you know, us car people, when we come to a tunnel, we downshift. And so I kind of downshifted a little too aggressively, but then we suddenly came to this construction zone and we had to come to a complete stop. And then from that stop, I just couldn't get my car into gear. Both first and second weren't working for me. So we had to call up my friend Simon. Luckily, he talked us through it, told us what to look out for. Long story short, we got the car running again. We were able to reverse the car, go downhill a little bit, and then I got it into gear, and then from that moment on, I just never stopped. I was able to get my car from this middle of nowhere all the way to Vancouver, which was another 6 hours. I think it was like 2 hours away from Vancouver. That's when shit hit the fan and I downshifted from 6th to 5th, and then my clutch just gave in. I pushed it in and it wouldn't spring back. So 2 hours away still. From that point on, I knew that if I came to another stop, there would be no possible way to get my car into gear. Luckily and unluckily, the first red light that we came to in Vancouver was on a really steep slope uphill, and that was like only 10 minutes away from the convention center. I had to call a tow truck, and we brought my car from that point all the way to the convention center. We showed my car for Revo. We had a good weekend, and then come the next weekday, Simon was kind enough to help me out in fixing the car. This kid is like FRS master, so Simon, thank you. But also he pretty much had all of the spare FRS parts that I was needing, including a spare transmission, because mine was just destroyed. As you can see here, my clutch fork is morphed and my throwout bearing is non-existent. Could have been from too many clutch kicks, but also a lot of FRS owners do say this is a common issue. Simon had all these spare parts lying around, and for what it's worth, I've put this car through a hell of a lot. And here, the spring in my competition stage 2 clutch disc just kind of popped out. He also had a racing clutch plate, so we did end up replacing my stage 2, which is actually so much less straining for my left leg. And I was able to bring the car all the way back to Calgary, and now she runs smoothly. And now here we are. One of the other main reasons why I've been kind of laid back on the video uploading is as soon as I got back, we decided to do a little renovation for the garage space. This is pretty much what we've been up to. Painting our floors black. Wet look. Oh, that's so cool. Getting there, kinda. I just feel like it's so much more better for your creative flow when your studio space is organized and clean. So a little bit of a garage cleanup and renovation, and some exciting news. We have 2 new garage builds, which I will be announcing fairly soon. You guys are just gonna have to subscribe, turn your notifications on, and keep updated that way. Okay, let's get to it. The reason why you probably are watching this video in the first place, the vlog part of the vlog. This is the last little bit of my trip in San Jose, saying bye to the Eliminate guys, which was sad. But then after we bring the cars through San Francisco, pretty cool experience, all the way back to Canada. Yeah, enjoy. What's up guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Today is just gonna be super chill day here in San Jose, and this place looks a little familiar. It's because this is the Eliminate house. We've just been chilling here for the past couple of days. Randy, kind enough to share their space with us, and saves us money like trying to find a hotel or Airbnb. So Randy, Eliminate guys, thank you. Yeah, look, we have a friend. Roy! Who's that dog? You recognize this puppy. Dude, he can jump over this thing. It's so crazy. Wait. Thanks, man. Okay, no, hey. Go on. Yeah. plan is to go to the Eliminate warehouse, and I actually have a couple of things to do on my car. My splitter is on the verge of falling off from all of the bumps on the highways here. This place isn't low friendly, so I don't know how these people... Well, actually, I do. Everyone's bagged here. Let's get the day started. Are you okay, doggy? How are you guys? What up, what up? Yo, Kev, is it cool if I work on my car a little bit and stuff? Just need a jack, so I'll just like bring it in front of Derpy's car.
Yeah, that area.
Yeah, okay. That works. That's okay. So, seriously, just a few things. This, I lost the screw for, so we'll see if one of the fellas has something for this. Other than that, we're just gonna try to fix this. One of my lights isn't working either. Turn that on. This side is okay. But this side, I don't know if the bulb is burnt out or if it's just loose. Bro, this is what we've been using to hold this on. It's just because we're putting so much flex on the top of this rally backer piece. Vu found me a missing bolt, and I'm probably gonna use a washer. It's a smart idea. Yeah. Oh sure, I'm down.
Yeah.
While I'm in town, fine. Always.
Woo!
What the heck, man?
Birdie is
Okay.
one down ass motherfucker.
Are we drinking, Tim?
We got Mr. K-pop star over here.
Tim the K-pop star.
Hey, dance, hit him. Ooh.
What the heck? I think we just burnt it out. There's an O'Reilly's super close by the air. Quickly run over, see if they have a replacement. Hey, Vu, coming in with sustenance. Thank you, brother.
Oh, cheers.
Let's go to show. Party size.
Hockey.
What the?
All of your stuff.
Dude, you guys are missing one thing.
What?
Getting
Wait
his
a minute.
penis.
I got Monster too.
Alright, pretty much good. I just threw in some self-tappers and made sure the splitter won't fall off on me on the highway.
Do you guys have this in Canada?
Pizza buckets?
Pizza rolls.
Pocket bites?
Pizza rolls. Yeah.
Pizza rolls, yeah?
I don't think they have it because you said it like 3 different names.
Chill. Here, more food. This one's open. Emmy! No table for you.
Do you remember? Did you ever have the old asteroid hot Cheetos where like they're in like a capsule?
No!
And you open the cap and then like the circle walls. No?
No.
Oh, I have it in my car. I'll get it right now. I'll get it.
Hit me?
Oh, you have an Averroid? Dude, you need to try one of these.
I tried, yeah.
grab it right now.
I've never heard of these things. Alright, so we're finishing up at the garage. I think we're just gonna have dinner at this Korean barbecue joint. It's these guys that are showing us around and bringing us to all these foodie places. We'll see when we get there.
We're headed to Barbie Grill. It's a Korean, like a barbie. I wouldn't call it. I don't know. They have a bar
Barbecue?
there. They have barbecue there. We're gonna be drinking soju. So.
Yeah, okay,
So it'll be fun.
for sure. So we're dropping off the car so that
Yes.
everyone can kind of, you know.
We're
okay,
Ubering too.
cool.
Y'all way. Y'all way. Slow down way. Hey, this is when accidents happen, so chill. Like people be doing some dumb ass shit.
I thought the cop was vaping. Typical day in this shirt.
Oh, fuck! Dude on a motorcycle got hit.
Oh no.
Is he okay?
Yikes.
I hope he's okay. Yahweh!
Barbie Grill. Aight. Y'all are youngins, man.
I'm old.
I am 26. We don't ride motorcycles, friends.
Yeah, you saw that too, eh?
Well, I wonder what that stands for.
Today.
High school waggy.
Sure.
This is Barbie.
That's it, man. It's sick.
For Demon Slayer. And I drink for the humanity. For humanity. For humanity. Mr. Good job.
Oscar Chan. Good night, good night. July 4, I guess.
Yeah, hell yeah. Turn up. Let's go.
Before we get a little too crazy, I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. Cause yeah, we just came back to the.
Because I
scared the shit out of
Because
me.
I came up to you. So
I think yeah, I'm just gonna call it a night, man. We're just gonna smash. Roy boy.
Give me a draw. I'm ready.
Can I be a draw?
Yeah, awesome.
Yo, they're so close, man. These guys are like. Oi! No! Good to choke. Good to choke.
I was scared. That tripped me up. I caught it.
Damn. Emmy, here. Have some. Today is the last day here at the Lemonade House and in San Jose. Gutu and I are gonna start heading back up to Canada. And, yeah, all morning I've just been playing Tetris. So my car is completely packed. Ta-da! This is nice weather actually compared to last year when we came during like some sort of heat wave. That was bad. Packed to the brim, and I'm trying to make use of every little nook and cranny. We're also going to be meeting up with the two friends that we came down here with. Kevin and Nyron. They're gonna meet us in San Fran. We're gonna have lunch there, take some photos while we're down here of like maybe Golden Gate Bridge or something. We're just gonna slowly make our way back to Seattle because we have to be there in 2 days, really. So today's Thursday. Tonight and tomorrow we're just gonna do casual drive down, okay? Because it's gonna be like 16 hours, close to. I'm not really prepared for that yet. I still have to download my audiobooks and stuff. Things that'll make the trip a little easier, you know? Sitting down for long hours on end, it does get tiring. Oh, Roy. Hey, doggy. See you guys. Bye, Roy. You're a good doggo. What do you want, Emmy? I pass this down to you. No, Roy. Me. You're the chosen one. Hey! I have one for the vlog, bro. Goodbye, my brother. Thanks for everything, man. Yeah. We'll see you again, okay? This won't be the last time, for sure. These guys are cool as shit. Thanks, man, for everything. Alright, Goots. We got one box to put in your car, okay?
Got lots of space. 4-door car.
I know. Oh, yeah. This is a nice spot. Hey, they have a Jollibee's in San Fran, Oakland. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but that's like 1 hour away.
Yeah, baby girl, you're so damn fine, though. Wanna know if I can hit it from behind, though. I'm sipping on you like some fine wine, though. When it's over, I press rewind, though. Talking bands, I got it. Benjamins in my pocket. I traded my truth for some robins, and he's playing Batman. Fatty's gonna rob him. Yeah, I got the Glock in my robin.
Yeah, we have to reenact that. I wasn't recording. Alright, we're in Oakland. This isn't mine, by the way. And we reunited with the anime boys. Hey, Nyron, what up, what up? I'll grab you gas. This kid ran out. Hello. Here you go, thank you. That's it, thank you. Dang, toll bridge, let's go.
Music.
is such a sick spot. It's always been one of my goals to bring my car to a location that has a San Fran bridge behind it. And I think we made it.
17 shots, no 38. Yeah, I got the Glock in my Robbie. 17 shots, no 38. Yeah, she's fine. Wondering will she be mine? And I got this soda.
Alright, guys, we're taking our shots. And for a fact, we're not going to be here for a while, so try to milk it, you know? Okay, I put in Seattle on the GPS. It says 13 hours. I think we're just going to go for it.
So we're gonna ride till we can't no more.
Gotta ride till we can't no more. Alright, man. Good luck. Have fun. Just get long haul. Full send. Here we go.
Your rear pieces.
Yo, you're right, man. Tape up everything we need to. Make sure nothing falls off on the way up. Let's do that. Thanks, Kev.
Yeah.